How to fix Messenger couldn't load high resolution image problem on your Messenger app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger could not load high resolution image problem solved. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there can be several reasons to why your Messenger cannot load a high resolution image. Now, the first can be your Messenger or your device not being connected to a good internet connection. So just make sure that you're connected to the internet and the network that you're on is a stable one. You can check that out. You can change your Wi Fi network altogether to be on a better network. After that, if the problem still persists, what you can do is you can simply check this out. You can remove your messenger from the background and reload the entire app. Then check if your image loads. If it still does not load, what you can then do is head over to your settings. What we'll do here is we'll clear out the cache for Messenger. For that, open up your settings and then head over to your general settings. Tap on general, then head over to iPhone storage. It's right here. After you tap on iPhone storage, simply search your Messenger app. So let's find out Messenger. There we go. And then tap on the offload app button and offload your app. After you offload your app, reinstall your Messenger app. And after you reinstall the app, check if your problem is fixed. If that still does not fix your issue, head over to your app store and search for Messenger. Now, the reason we are doing this is sometimes if your Messenger app is outdated, it cannot support a higher resolution image. So, if you see an update button available right here, tap on update and update your entire app. And with that, your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.